Disney Springs. Thought I'd do a quick video here. I wanted to do the poutine because we tried it at Universal for their Mardi Gras celebration, and I wanted to come here because I told you I loved it, so I wanted to try it on film for you. So let's go.
Wow! How incredible!
So at Disney Springs this month, they're celebrating Her Story for Women's History Month. That's super fun. We'll see if we can find anything. So there's actually some breaking news right now. Disneyland is going to be able to open on April 30th. Yay! Not that we'll be able to go, but it's still exciting for you Californians out there. So the poutine stand is right next to the World of Disney. Super easy to find. Let's see what they have. So their regular menu has Canadian poutine, French, Latin, and loaded frites. But it is St. Patrick's Day, so they have the Bangers poutine, which has sausage, French fries, stout gravy, cheddar, and an onion marmalade. Alright, so I got the regular poutine, the Canadian poutine, the OG, and I also got a watermelon slush. It's very sweet. That's like way sweeter than normal. Woo! I don't know. That is very, very sweet. But let's try the poutine. So it's kind of messy. I have a fork, but this, I mean, I haven't had Canadian poutine before, but this is what I imagine it would taste like, not the one at Universal. They tried. It was still good, but this is just what I think of. So, it's got fries, gravy, and cheese curds. So let me get some cheese curds in here, because that's really good too. So, go around this. I feel like the gravy is a bit thicker than it usually is, but it's fine. Like, it's still really good. It makes it easier to get on your fries. But yeah. Right now it's spring break, and when we walked by like Polite Pig and Chicken Guy, they all had lines, and the poutine stand does not. So if you need something quick, you're really hungry, it's a perfect option. So the poutine place also has Italian poutine. I didn't see it when I did the menu, but I noticed it afterwards. But I am done my meal. Unfortunately, that watermelon slush was actually way too sweet. I couldn't finish it. But the poutine I finished for sure. It's pretty busy here, so I'm gonna try and find something like a sweet treat, but we'll see. But we are gonna go inside a World of Disney. So there might be a line for everything else, but not for World of Disney. You can go right inside, so that's pretty awesome. Spirit jersey alert! Oh my God! It's Buzz Lightyear! $69.99, of course. Oh, I love that. Okay. All right. I'm not gonna get it right now, but that is really fun. And then they have these. I've seen these at the Marvel store. So they've got the like logos on the side here, but then it says Marvel on the back. I wish there was another one, but this is new. Black Widow hat, very basic for $27.99. So over here is a lot of the home stuff, but I'm not gonna get anything right now because we still have stuff in boxes. I need to unpack before we do any more buying. Okay, this is really cute. I like the colors too. It's just plain on the other side, but it's $14.99. I just stick with my UGG glove because I make it messy. You can reenact, be our guest all you want with this Lumiere plate. I don't even know. I guess you just put hors d'oeuvres on there. Oh, he's heavy. He is $44.99. Or you can just go $39.99 for this guy. I bet he lights up. Let's see. So he does light up, but I don't want to pull out any of the tabs because I want to save the battery for whoever buys it. Oh, I'm in love. Oh my gosh. It's a mug and tea infuser. I love tea. It's $22.99. Okay. Once we move it, once we're all settled. But then you've got the mirror, handheld mirror. Beauty is found within. Oh my god, this is straight from the movie. It's $22.99. Oh my god. And then this, what is this? Hanging wall decor for $49.99. Oh my goodness. And then they've got this throw. It's Be Our Guest. It's like the music for it. $39.99. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Here's another new color for this spirit jersey. It says Hello Spring. I don't think that's the color, but looks like it's rose gold. $69.99. And I really like it. And then they've got the spirit jersey masks too for $12.99. So here we have the Raya and the Last Dragon merchandise. Tuk tuk. This toy set is $27.99. We've got a Raya shirt. Oh, that's really soft. And it is $36.99. We got the Raya doll. She's got her outfit on underneath for $26.99. And then you've got the Ongies. They chatter. I don't know if you can hear that, but he's chattering away. He is $24.99. Connect paws to hear sounds. Interesting. And then you've got the sword. Ooh, that was cool. $24.99. This little girl is so ready to fight. She really is. And then you got Sisu. What do you do? You say, Pressez-moi. I don't know what she does. Oh, maybe right here. I don't think she's working. Okay, that's fine. Sisu. Sisu is $19.99. That's not bad. You got a Tuk Tuk Funko Pop. Oh my god, he's so cute. Doesn't have a price. And then there's a Sisu one as well. And then you've got the movie pin for $12.99. And then you've got Tuk Tuk for $26.99. Oh my god, how cute is he? And then you've got Team Ongi shirt. Oh, that's kind of cool. That is kind of neat for $36.99. That's what I saw in World of Disney. There's not too much terribly new, but we're gonna see what's at Amorette. So for Women's History Month, they're featuring this Flancho? I don't know what that is, but this is the chef that is making it. But we're gonna go inside because there might have some St. Patty's Day stuff. So it's flan cocho. It's chocolate cake topped with vanilla custard and caramel sauce, garnished with chocolate disc on top, dried strawberry slice, pink macaroon, and an edible flower. That's a lot on that little thing. We'll see what they have. So it was quite busy when I got in there, but I got the Pot of Gold cream puff. It's a chocolate cream puff filled with chocolate mousse and whiskey caramel sauce, garnished with chocolate crisp pearls and a sour candy rainbow. So that's really fun. I love it. I'm part Irish, so it's great. All right, so let's dig into this Irish cream puff. It's hard to do this one-handed, and I don't have the tripod right to where I can put it on the table. I have the GoPro today. So, well, the cream is good. There we go. Here we go. Oh my god. That is pretty good. It has a unique taste to it, so I don't think everyone would like it. And the cream is borderline pudding, but with everything, it's fine. Like it doesn't, the texture doesn't bug me as much. I feel like because it has so much like extra stuff on it that it's fine. Having a hard time cutting, so hang tight. So it's not like a big like taste, it's got a light taste, which I like. I would get something other than this though. Like if you're gonna try Amorettes for the first time, try something else. Try the like the Mickey Moose. That's what you have to try first. But it's good, especially if you're Irish and you want an Irish themed treat. So let's continue walking around to find maybe more St. Patrick's Day stuff or Women's History Month stuff. So last month was Black History Month, but this artwork was also done by a woman. It's from B. Harris. Working on this collection was a dream come true. It was an honor to highlight the 4 black women in Jose's village. These women represent the strong-willed, supportive women in my life who have helped me discover and walk in my purpose. I walked away with a deeper understanding of myself and my capabilities as an artist. It was both challenging and inspiring to create something so unique to things I've done in the past. So yeah, we're meshing the two together because I was here for Black History Month last month, but I didn't know they had these artworks out. So for Women's History Month, they have a Mrs. Incredible float. So it's Dole Whip strawberry and Dole Whip lemon with black cherry lemonade and a souvenir straw. So in the back of Co-op, they have a lot of her story things. So these are women artists. So this is Ruthie Thompson. She was really good with mechanics. So she did the camera mechanics used to photograph animated scenes and background onto the film. Her first job with the Disney company was the ink and paint department, where she helped put the finishing touches on the studio's first full-length animated feature, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Soon she was promoted to final checker, which reviewed animation cells before they were photographed onto film. She was then transferred to animation checking and scene planning. She was one of the first 3 women to be admitted into the Hollywood Camera Union. That's awesome. So on Monday and Wednesdays from 4 to 7, Jasmine Beckett Griffith comes to sign artwork. She does all the artwork that has the big eyes. So she's like Tiana with the big baby eyes, as I like to call them. Mary Blair, everybody knows Mary Blair. She is a legend. So all these boards say like a lot about her, but I want to stick to like the Disney stuff because that's what's really cool. So she worked with the Disney studios on a number of projects, including Baby Ballet, which a never produced segment proposed for Fantasia. So there's more of Fantasia that we don't know. In 1941, she joined the Disney expedition that toured South America for 3 months. Her watercolors so captured the spirit of Latin countries that she was named art supervisor on the Three Caballeros. I did not know that. Her unique color and styling greatly influenced Disney post-war productions like Make Mine Music, Melody Time, So Dear to My Heart, The Adventures of Ichabod and Mr. Toad. That's the only one I know out of, well, there's more. Cinderella, Alice in Wonderland, and Peter Pan. So I'm wondering that if since Co-op had some of the Women's History Month stuff, that maybe the Art of Disney will also have some stuff. So we're gonna head over there and see what is inside. So if you scan that QR code, it'll tell you all about her story at Disney Springs. So that would have been good to know earlier. My theory was correct. Okay, so this is Fawn. I'm not gonna try and say her last name because that is very, very big. Oh, Fawn was head of story for Raya and the Last Dragon at Walt Disney Studios. Oh my gosh, she worked on Frozen, Zootopia, Moana, Ralph Breaks the Internet, and Frozen 2. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. So this is Barbara Worth Baldwin. She worked in the airbrush department. She began by painting glass plates for the multi-plane camera, but was a quick study and soon became head of the department. Wow. She worked on Pinocchio, Fantasia, and Dumbo. That is cool. These women are so talented. Okay, I was just walking by Rainforest Cafe and they have a sloth spirit jersey. That's what I wanted. So on the front it says Rainforest Cafe. And on the back it says explore the outdoors with a sloth. Okay, I'm not gonna get it right now. But I will eventually. So here at BB Wolf's, they don't have anything for Women's History Month or St. Patrick's Day. They're going Mardi Gras. So we've got a Mardi Gras smoked craw dog. Sounds really good, but there's quite a line. And I had my poutine. But it's smoked andouille sausage, crawfish, lemon caper aioli, and Creole pepper sauce on a roll. That looks so good. So here at Erin McKenna's Bakery, which is actually a vegan bakery, it's got quite the line too, and it's one person per party allowed in. They have girl power birthday cakes highlighting trailblazing women. Will be available throughout March while supplies last. So it's like all different amazing women on cakes. It's quite busy here today, so I'm gonna see how long the wait is for Gideon's. I don't think I'm gonna wait for it. In hindsight, I should have went here first, but we'll at least see how long the wait is. I just asked the lady at the end of the line. It's a 4-hour wait! Guys, it's a Wednesday! Oh my gosh! Okay, if you're gonna be here and you really want Gideon's, go there first and then maybe hit a park and then come back. So I was actually on my way out because it's getting really busy here. But Brandon has convinced me to go back to the Rainforest Cafe to get that spirit jersey because he's like, you know, every time you don't get something, it's not there the next time. So I'm gonna go into the Irish St. Paddy's Day crowd and get my spirit jersey. Maybe I'll be lucky. Maybe they'll have it in the T-Rex gift shop. I doubt it. I think I'm gonna have to walk all the way back over there. My theory was correct. I have to go all the way back to Rainforest. But there was something I forgot to film on my way the other way. So now I can show you what I saw from across the bridge. There's our new Lego Mickey. It's so cool. You can tell he's new because he's so shiny. I got it. I got the spirit jersey. Now to go to the car, go home, cool off, get away from the crowds, and call it a day. So also while I was here, I decided to get myself a birthday button because the day this video drops is my birthday. So I don't know what we're gonna do for my birthday. We might be doing house stuff, which is totally fine. But I always get a birthday button every year, so I wanted to make sure to get one before I left. So the last thing I wanted to show you was outside of the AMC theater. They finally changed the poster from Soul to Raya and the Last Dragon. So that's all from Disney Springs today. If you like that video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to tap that subscribe button and tap that notification bell to become a super subscriber. And until next time, see you real soon.